Yeah, hello guys, you are highly welcome to another tutorial on Robotic Fashion channel. This is the channel that brings you the easiest, fastest and simplest method on how to cut or sew anything on the men's dress. So on this channel, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sew this pocket. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to cut the collar stay like this. So the wideness of this collar stay is 4.2, while the length is 5 inches. So that is the measurement for this collar stay. Then you fold it like this. You fold it into 4 pieces. So you first fold it to the center, and then you fold it again like this. So fold it in 4 places. Then at the side, you measure 1 inch at the side. So that's the side, and on the length you measure 1.2 on the length. You can make it 1.5. 1.5 is okay. Then you just slant it like this. So measure 1.5, and then you place the roller there. Then you slant it like this. So once you roll it straight down, then you cut it out like this. So that is it. So this is the shape you will have after you cut it out. And then this is what we use for this pocket. Then you cut another material in 4 pieces like this. So you cut this one like this, and then you fold it. This is another color, and then the third color. Then you can take it like a flower material to do the fourth color also. So the wideness of this is 2 inches, while this is 5 inches. So then you fold it like this, and then you press it. So you press it. So you do the same thing on all the other ones. So just fold it like this, and that is all. So you do the same thing on all other ones. And this is the material that I'm using for the patch pocket. So at the back, you place the collar stay there, then you iron it out. So let me give this side a shape. So you can just slant it a bit to give it a nice look. So that is it. Then you press it. So here it is. After I've already pressed it, then you clip the center, and then you notch it to the edge. Don't make it too close to the edge, so that when you finally fold it, it will not be the material will not be showing outside. So you just fold it like this. You iron it like this. Iron all the 4 edge, and then you use hemming gum to secure it. So here's another material of a back gum stay at the back. So you place all this one on it, arrange it like this, and that is it. So you just sew it all around, arrange it well, and then you stitch it all around. Please, if you are yet to give this video a thumbs up, help me do that right now. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button for you to benefit from a lot of videos, more than 200 videos on this channel. And if you are yet to like this video, make sure you do that now, and then just stitch it all around, and that is it. So you trim all the excess. Trim out the excess, and that is it. So on the middle nowadays, if you like, you can as well stitch the middle, but I advise you use hemming gum to secure the middle so that it will not be pulling out. So this is it after I've used hemming gum on it, and I've already pressed it. So this one now, you place it on it after you have already folded it. Then you cut hemming gum, and then you place hemming gum under it. First use hemming gum to secure it round. Place hemming gum at the edge to secure it round. Then you press it. Then after you press it, so this is it, then you stitch the edge all around. Make sure that the stitches fall at the tip, and then the line is very straight to make your work come out very neat. And don't rush, you sew it gently, and that is it. So the next thing you have to do now is to cut out the excess at the back. So that is it. You can see how nice the pocket is. So just cut out the excess here, cut it out. Very simple and unique. can see this. So that is it on how to prepare this patch pocket. So if you like this video and you enjoy the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to click on the subscribe button as well. Till we meet again in the next video, I say thank you for watching, and then bye for now.